back to the channel. Corvette's in the air because the R888s are about to get put on once I take the wheels off. Until I get big, if and when I do, a lot of my videos will be for primarily the search algorithm. They won't be like major subscriber style videos just because we're not that big yet. So if you're wondering why, we just did the down pipe or the dumps and the straight pipe. So I'm going to give you all the footage I have of just driving with straight pipe and axle dump. So here we go. Actually pulls a lot harder, surprisingly. I didn't expect to notice a difference getting rid of the mufflers performance-wise, just because back pressure in some cases can be a good thing. velocity was ranging, make sure you give us a big like, big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. Every little bit helps. The support does go a long way. See you next time. Toodaloo.